हाँ. ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಹಾಂ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನಾ ಏರ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಲು ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ.
So good morning. Good morning to the lecture of AC rotating machines. So for you, this course is being offered in your 6th semester. The course basically deals with machines which is of rotating type and is supplied by AC. So the course layout goes like this: asynchronous AC machines, synchronous AC machines. In synchronous AC machines, we will be seeing in detail about synchronous generator, synchronous motor. In a synchronous machine, we will be seeing induction machine, induction motor especially, then the starting and speed control of induction machine and some special machine towards the last topper unit, right? So let us start with our AC machines, induction machine first. The prerequisite for this course is generally DC machines and transformers, which you have learned in the previous semester. So to have a little fundamentals for you, I would like to tell how we understood about the pole formation by the stator of a machine and how windings were arranged in the rotor of the machine for generating a voltage. In the stator of the machine, generally to have a good magnetic flux, we create poles. This is done by slotting the inner periphery of the stator structure and placing stator coils in the slots of the stator. Then accordingly, when you are giving electrical supply to this stator coils, poles are formed. Generally, we have seen all this in DC machine. So the poles are generally either north pole or south pole. So it forms like this. So this is the pole machine. If I show, so there is a north pole, there is a south pole. If it is a four-pole machine, you will have two more poles. Here again, you will have your north pole, south pole. This way, you will have symmetrically poles around the structure. Correct. In the vicinity of this stator magnetic field, we are keeping the rotor structure. This comes in between. And the rotor structure will have so many conductors. This conductor is actually placed under the influence of magnetic field which is created by the stator. These are all some fundamentals we have learned in the previous course. So here we need to understand a very important concept to further go into AC machines and their working is how the flux gets distributed in this particular area. What is the profile of the particular magnetic flux in this area? So let us try to understand that in detail. So let's say we have a rail. On this particular rail, we have a conductor. So let me there is a flux which is coming in this direction. Okay, and till this particular point, from here to here, there is no, once the conductor comes here, it is not under the influence of any cold pair. In that case, there will not be any flux. Then again, from north to south, which is from the bottom to